If you've been using Substance Designer for a while but your materials still look just okay and you're not sure how to make them better, here are 3 simple tips to help you improve. Tip number 1. Your material is too simple. This is a mistake that beginners do all the time, creating materials that are too simple in terms of components. Let's take bricks as example. Here is a very simple brick texture, which even if it's a real photo, it does not look good. It contains a single element, which are the bricks. The mortar, even if it's there, it's not present visually, so it does not add to the overall look. In contrast to this, here's a really nice brick texture from ArtStation, which has multiple components. First, there are the bricks, the mortar between them, a second layer of mortar, then we have some graffiti. Besides that, there are some other visual elements like height offset, cracks and surface deformation, which add another level of complexity and visual interest. In conclusion, make sure your material is not too simple and has multiple components. But what if one of those components doesn't look good? This brings us to the second tip. If it doesn't look good, don't leave it. Let's say you created a nice looking material, all it needs are some fine details. Then you start working on it and for some reason this last layer of fine details does not look good. You might be tempted to just let it there, the other areas look good, only this layer of details doesn't look good. But don't do that. If one part of your material does not look good, it will ruin the entire material. So tip number 2, if it does not look good, redo it. Tip number 3, experience. One reason your material might not look good enough, even if you're experienced in Substance Designer, is that you haven't created enough of that specific type of material. For example, if you're great at making tiles but switch to creating tree barks, your bark textures might not look as good. The solution is simple. Set aside some time to experiment with the specific material you want to improve. That's it for today. I hope you got something out of it. See you next time.